So do you also use Typeform to receive any kind of form submissions for your business? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to enroll TagMango user on Typeform submission. So here I'm an owner of a business and I have created a registration form using Typeform. So now here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission through Typeform, then automatically the person who has made the form submission should be created as a new user in my TagMango account. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Typeform with my TagMango account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen.
Welcome to my screen. So I use TagMango to offer courses or exclusive content and Typeform to collect user details. So now manually enrolling users after they fill out the form can be tedious and time consuming. So by automating the process, whenever someone submits their information through Typeform, they are instantly enrolled in my TagMango account. This ensures a smooth experience for my users as they get immediate access to what they signed up for. It also helps me stay efficient, focus on creating great content, and eliminate the hassle of manual data entry. So now here I've already built an automation where I've connected my Typeform with my TagMango account using an automation software. So now firstly here in this video we are going to see the working of this amazing automation that I've already built by simply making a form submission over here. So here my objective is as soon as I'm going to make a form submission, then automatically the person who has made the form submission is going to be created as a new user in my TagMango account. So now here we are going to make the form submission. So here you can see some pre-filled data over here, that is first name, last name, phone number and the email. So I'm going to click on the submit. And here you can see we have successfully made a form submission over here. So now let's go and check our TagMango to see that whether a new user is enrolled or not. So I'm going to refresh it over here. And here you can see we have successfully created a new customer over here with the name smartest user. Here you can see the contact details such as phone number and the email address. And also you can see the mango under which this user has been enrolled. So with this, we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation. Now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can create this amazing automation by simply connecting your Typeform with your TagMango account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. So here on my screen you can see Pabbly Connect's homepage and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect/ina/ in your browsers. And now here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect and here to build my connection I need to create a workflow first. So for that here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as enroll TagMango user on Typeform submission. And now here after giving a name to my workflow it is asking me to select the folder. So here in the left side corner of this dashboard you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Typeform, as I am receiving new form submissions through Typeform. So Typeform is an online tool for creating interactive and visually appealing forms, surveys and quizzes. People use Typeform because it makes gathering information fun and engaging with its user-friendly design and conversational format. So here in my Typeform trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new entry, so that whenever I'm going to receive new entry through Typeform, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. And now here to connect my Typeform with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Typeform account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Typeform. And now here Pabbly Connect is requesting for the access. So here I'm going to give access to Pabbly Connect, as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the form. So by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see all the forms that I've created in my Typeform account till now. So here for this particular case, I'm going to select my form, which is named as lead form. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to select my form as lead form. Now here after selecting my form, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And now here you can see as it is waiting for a response. That means here to receive a response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test response in our Typeform. So now here to generate a test response, let me take you back to my Typeform. Here I'm going to refresh it. And now here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as latest. Here for the last name, I'm going to enter the name as customer. And here I'm going to enter a random phone number. And then here for the email, I'm going to enter the email as latest customer 222-333-444@pabblytudes.com. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the submit given over here. And here you can see we have successfully made the form submission. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received some details such as customer's email address. Here you can see the phone number, scrolling little down. Here you can see the last name. Here you can see the first name and some other details as well. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received new entry through our Typeform, then automatically I want to add the person who has made the form submission as a new user in my TagMango account. So for that, I need to connect my TagMango with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. So here I'm going to select my action application as TagMango. So TagMango is a platform that helps creators and influencers monetize their content by offering subscriptions, workshops, and exclusive access to their audience. It's like a one-stop shop for turning your passion into income. So here in my TagMango action step, I'm going to select my action event as migrate user, so that whenever I'm going to receive new entry through Typeform, then automatically the person who has made the form submission should be enrolled as a new user in my TagMango account. And now here to connect my TagMango with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your TagMango account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me to enter the API key. So following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my TagMango account. And from here, I'm going to click on this automations given in the left side bar. And here under automations, I'm going to select platform integrations. And here under platform integration, you can see a Pabbly Connect's API key. So I'm going to copy it, moving back to Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to paste the API key. Now here after entering the API key, I'm going to click on the save given over here. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to enter the name, phone number, email address and some other details. So now here, instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that whenever we are going to receive new entry through our type form, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So I'm going to map the name. So here I'm going to search for the first name first. So this is the first name, and then I'm going to enter a space, and then I'm going to search for the last name. So this is the last name, so I'm going to map it. Moving forward, here for the phone number, I'm going to map the phone number. So this is my lead's phone number. Here for the email address, I'm going to search for the email address. So this is the email address. Moving forward, and then here it is asking me for the Mango ID. So here to get this Mango ID, I'm going to follow the instructions given over here. So now let me take you back to my TagMango account, and from here I'm going to click on this mangoes given in the left side bar. And here under mangoes, I'm going to search for my mango, that is basic of PHP. So this is my mango, so I'm going to copy this mango ID. Moving back to Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to enter the mango ID. So this is my mango ID, and then here it is asking me for the coupon. So to get this coupon, let me take you back to my TagMango account. And now from here, I'm going to click on this marketing option given over here. And here under marketing, you can see we have received the option for coupons. So I'm going to select it, and here you can see the active coupon code for the mango named as basics of PHP. So I'm going to select it. Moving back to Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to enter that coupon. Now here, after entering the coupon, it is asking me to enter the affiliate, custom selling price and custom currency. So here these fields are not a required fields, so here I'm going to leave them blank. But if you want to add any other detail, then you can do it as per your need. And now here, after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully enrolled a new user in our TagMango account for the new entry received through our type form. So now let's go and check it. Here I'm going to click on this customers, and from here I'm going to select customers. And here you can see we have successfully created a new customer with the name latest customer. Here you can see the contact details such as phone number, email address and the mango under which the user has been enrolled as basics of PHP. So with this, we have successfully set up our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as Typeform and our action as TagMango, so that whenever we are going to receive new entry through our Typeform, then automatically the person who has made the form submission is going to be enrolled as a new user in my TagMango account. Okay, so these were the steps to how to enroll TagMango user on Typeform submission. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.